So, good day. I am S. Pragadiswaran working as an assistant professor. So, I would like to teach the mathematical topic called probability today. So, what do you mean by probability? So, probability means nothing but it is a possibility. So, it is a prediction mechanism. So, another case we can say it as an uncertainty. So, here we cannot surely say this thing is going to happen. For example, we can say it will probably rain today. So, it may rain or it may not rain. So it has equal chances whether this event may occur or may not occur. So there is mathematically probability deals with the occurrence of random event. So it is used to find or predict how well the event is going to happen. Generally the value of probability lies between the zeros and ones, because if a event is not going to happen, then there is no possibility, so it is said to be zero. If an event is surely happening, then we can say it as 1. So here I had listed some basic terminologies that is used in this probability. So what is an experiment? So experiment is nothing but an operation which produces some well-defined outcomes. So well-defined outcomes in a certain procedure is said to be an experiment. So what is this? If I am giving you a pen, and if I am asking to write something by using that pen, this is a well defined outcome. So by using the pen you are going to write something. So what is a random experiment? So in random experiment you may came to know all possible outcomes, whereas you cannot predict the exact output. For example, if I am tossing a coin, so I have two chances: either I may get head or I may get tail. So, but surely I cannot say for this turn I am going to get hit, or this turn I am going to hit tail. So, I cannot say the exact output. So, that is said to be random experiment. So, then what is sample space? Sample space is nothing but the all possible outcomes. So, for example, if I am tossing a coin, I may get either head or tail. So, totally I am having two sample space. One is head and the other one is tail. So, for example, if I am rolling a dice, so I have 6 chances. Either I may be getting 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. So for example, if you are tossing two coins, then you may get both heads or both tails, one head, one tail, or one tail, one head. So then what is an event? Any subset of a sample space is called as event. So here, for example, in tossing a coin, head is said to be an event, whereas tail is said to be an event. So this is the general formula that is given for this probability. So it is nothing but the number of favorable outcomes, that is desired outcomes divided by the total number of possible outcomes. So let us have an example. What is the probability of getting a tail when a coil is tossed? So here getting a tail is my favorable outcome. So my favorable outcome, if I am tossing a coin, it may have only two chances. Either it may have head or we can get a tail. So number of favorable outcome is 1, that is tail. So total number of possible outcomes is 2, one is head and the other one is tail. So probability of getting tail is nothing but 1 divided by 2. So try this. What is the probability of getting head when a coin is tossed? Again the same possibility. So I have only one head. So head divided by total possibility. I may get either head or tail. So 2. So 1 divided by 2. So that is the pictorial representation. When I am tossing a coin, I have equal possibility to get tail as well as head. So coming to the another problem. A bag contains a red ball, blue ball and a yellow ball. All the balls being of the same size. Kritika takes out a ball from the bag without looking into it. So what is the given data in this problem? So they had said that I am having one red ball. A red ball means it is a 1. So one red ball, one blue ball, one yellow ball. Totally I am having 3 balls in a bag. So Kritika is going to take one ball from that bag. So that one ball, they had added some values to this question. What is the probability that she takes out yellow ball, red ball, blue ball? So totally how many yellow balls I am having? Only one yellow ball. I am going to choose the yellow ball out of 3 balls. So total possible outcome is 3. So and my favorable outcome for this first subdivision is 1. So 1 divided by 3. Whereas for the red also it is same 1 divided by 3. Whereas for blue also it is 1 divided by 3. Clear? So if all events having equal chances or equal weightage or equal percentage of distribution, then it is said to be an elementary event. That is, sum of probability of all these events will be 1. So another one example, suppose we throw a dice once. What is the probability of getting a number greater than 4, less than 4? So greater than 4, when I am throwing a die, I may be getting a values from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So totally I am having 6 possibilities, correct? So greater than 4 means it is 5 and 6. So favorable outcome is 2. So 2 divided by 6, I will be getting answer as 1 by 3. What is the probability of getting a number less than or equal to 4? So less than or equal to 4 means 1, 2, 3 equal to means you should take 4 into account. So 4. So 4 divided by 3. 6. So we will be getting answer as 2 by 3. So now a question for you. Are the events E and F in the example above are elementary function? No, not at all. It is not an elementary function because the probability for the first subdivision is possibility is 2 and the favorable outcome for the subdivision 2 is 4. Hence it is not an elementary function. So what is this event? Then how we can call it this event? So I am reframing this sentence. Getting a number not greater than 4. So not greater than 4 will be equal to a number getting a number less than or equal to 4. So that is E plus E P of E naught, probability of getting the event E and complement of that event. So this is said to be complementary events. Okay. I would like to thank you all for your patient listening. So I would end my session with these quotes. Preparation is the key to success. Alexander Graham Bell. Thank you.